Hello and welcome to my problem on the calculation of unit rates. This is a very applicable problem. What it always relates back to is shopping. And the reason for that is because when you're shopping, you're presented with several options almost all the time. You can buy the small container of whatever it is you happen to be buying for a certain amount of money, or a larger container for a little bit more. And this sort of math can be used to figure out which one is the better deal. So the other day I was in the store and I saw two different situations, and I'm going to present those for our example. There was, for $4, a case of pop, and you got 12 cans. Each can having 341 milliliters in it. Option 2 was a bottle of pop. It was $1.50. And in it, you got 2,250 mils. So the first step in comparing is being able to figure out how many milliliters in total I'd be getting for my $4 here. And the quickest, easiest way to do that is just with some simple multiplication. Take your 341 milliliters times your 12 cans. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6. Put in your place value. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 3 is 3. Add up these two lines. You get 2, 9, 10, carry the 1, and 4. So that means that you're getting 4,092 milliliters for your $4. In order to figure out what this is per dollar, all we need to do is take our 4,092 mils and divide it by the $4. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 0 0 times. 4 goes into 9 twice. And 4 goes into 12 3 times. Perfect. So that means we are getting 1,023 milliliters for every dollar. Next, let's look at the second option, the bottle of pop. So what we would like to do is divide our 2,250 mils by our 1.5. But if you remember from our rules of division, we can't divide with the decimal out in front. So what we do is we multiply. So this is 15 now, not 1.5. Multiply the outside by 10 and multiply the inside by the exact same. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So now we've successfully gotten rid of the decimal, and now we can divide through. So 15 goes into 2 0 times. 15 goes into 22 once. And 15 goes into 75 5 times. Perfectly evenly. 15 goes into 0 0 times. And we bring down the last 0, and again 15 goes into 0 0 times. Nice and even. So that means we are getting 1,500 or 1,500 milliliters for every dollar in this case. And just by comparing the two here, we see that obviously we're getting more. We're getting 1,500 milliliters compared to just 1,023 milliliters for every dollar. So you're much better off buying the bottles of pop. Way more pop for your dollar.